Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us. I am out here today getting the excavator fired up, greased up, checking all the fluids because we're going to get it out. We're going to start digging out in front of the shop to get that concrete poured, hopefully. This is the first time she's been out of here all winter. She's been stored in the barn here. Fired right up though. That Kubota diesel's a good motor. To get some wood out here for those tracks to come off of. I don't want it to put that much pressure on the edge of the concrete, so we're going to put some wood up here to get this out of here. Alright, now I got a mess to pick up in here. It's been sitting all winter, but I'll get this picked up and we'll get started over there. It will be nice to get this barn cleaned back up. Kind of been cramped all winter. We have got quite a bit of stuff already on Facebook Marketplace. We've got like I think over 350 items on there. Like one of the big items we sold this week was the Toro mower. Real nice couple from Pennsylvania came and picked that up a couple of days ago, so that freed up a bunch of room in here. All right, we got it cleaned up for the most part. Clean up for now. This is the wood that's going around the fireplace surround. That's already whitewashed. It's ready to be cut and put up. So pond, I'll have to tend to that this spring. But this is what we're working on now. We're going to get this dug up, and this is where we're going to be pouring concrete. Got the excavator over here. It's greased up, ready to go. So hang tight. Let me get set up. about you sitting over here. Anyway, this is coming up pretty good. I got the what I needed down here for the rock unloaded. We're gonna take this rest of this load up the hill for the fire pit. So hang tight, we'll get going here. We're making some progress out here. We got down to the I guess the old gravel that was there. We're getting all these millings out of here. We're taking these millings up on the hill there. So thank goodness we got this dump trailer. Sure does come in handy. That's some good looking millings down there though. But what was on top was just a mess. So dug down a little bit and looks pretty good. So here we go. Getting back out here this morning, we've got this area that we started yesterday, cleaning it up. We're gonna get some concrete poured in here and get rid of this nasty old millings and make it look nice. So got the dump truck down here. We've been dumping it in there, and we'll get 6 inches or so out of here, and we'll get a nice bed of 57 rock on the bottom, tamp it in, and get some concrete poured soon. So hang tight, let me get set up. This has come along pretty good. We got it dug out enough. I'm just coming in here and going to put a bed of rock, and we'll get that tamped down and figure out where we're going to come along the asphalt over there. But it's looking good. So there we go. kind of have it outlined here. If you see the black stripe there, where we're gonna turn this, and then we're gonna lop off that piece of asphalt so it doesn't look funny. It'll be straight here, come right here, and then curve up there, and then down here, if you'll see that inside line there, that's where we're going to have it curve to that corner. So it's about 20 feet out from the barn, the shop here. It'll be quite a bit of concrete, but be a whole lot better than what we had. I think this is where we're gonna end this video. We got that pad pretty close to being ready. We do have to use the excavator and get the part out that we cut out of the asphalt, but we'll get that tomorrow. And thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors, and we'll catch you on the next video. If you don't mind, take the time to hit the like button, subscribe, and share, and we'll talk to you next video. Bye.